unstoppable vision, the strength born from stillness, the clarity shaped by discipline.
Have you ever stood in front of the mirror under those bright bathroom lights and just felt a little discouraged? Before we begin, if you care about staying healthy, vibrant, and independent well into your golden years, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking that little notification bell. We share in-depth, practical health tips that doctors are often too busy to mention, and I don't want you to miss a single one. And I have a quick question for you, one I love to ask. Where are you watching from today? Are you in the United States, Canada, the UK, Australia, or somewhere else entirely? Please drop a comment below and let me know where you're from. It truly brightens my day to see how far this wonderful senior health community of ours reaches. You trace the lines around your eyes or the creases that seem to have settled in around your mouth and you think, where did those come from? Maybe you've spent a small fortune on those little jars of cream that promise miracles, the ones with advanced formulas and age-defying peptides. And sure, they might make your skin feel softer for an hour or two, but the next morning, the lines are still there, maybe even looking a little deeper, a little more set. It can feel like a losing battle, can't it? We're told that wrinkles are just a part of aging. We have to accept that the only real solutions are expensive, painful, and frankly a little scary procedures that freeze your face or inject fillers. But what if that wasn't the whole story? What if the most powerful solutions don't come from a jar or a needle at all? What if the secret to plumper, smoother, more youthful-looking skin isn't something you put on your body, but something you put in it? What if I told you there are natural plant-based seed oils that can work like Botox but from the inside out? Not by freezing anything, but by rebuilding, hydrating, and plumping your skin at a deep cellular level, by giving your body the exact building blocks it has been missing. This isn't science fiction. This is the power of nutrition. Today we are going to uncover 5 of why skin loses collagen. After 60, these incredible natural seed oils that can help plump wrinkles, restore your skin's glow, and give you that healthy, vibrant look you thought was long gone. And the best part, it's never ever too late to start. Your body is always ready to heal and repair. We just have to give it the right tools. Now, before we jump in, if you care about staying healthy, vibrant, and independent well into your golden years, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking that little notification bell. We share the kind of in-depth, practical health tips that doctors are often too busy to mention, and I don't want you to miss a single one. And I have a quick question for you, one I love to ask. Where are you watching from today? Are you in the United States, in Canada, the UK, Australia, or somewhere else entirely? Please drop a comment below and let me know where you're from. It truly brightens my day to see how far this wonderful senior health community of ours reaches. All right, are you ready? Let's get into the first oil on our list. Number 1. This is one you might have seen, but you probably didn't know what it could do for your skin. We're starting with flaxseed oil. I like to call this one the great inflammation soother. Now, when we think of wrinkles, we usually think of 2 things. Sun, the Shaolin approach to inner nourishment damage and just getting older. But there is a silent culprit that ages our skin faster than almost anything else. It's chronic low-grade inflammation. Imagine inflammation as a tiny, slow-burning fire smoldering deep underneath your skin's surface. You can't always see it, not like a rash, but it's there. And what does this fire do? It constantly sends out signals that break things down. Specifically, it activates enzymes in your skin that have one job: to eat your collagen and elastin. Collagen and elastin are the 2 proteins that give your skin its structure, its firmness, its bounce. They are the scaffolding of your skin. When you're young, you have a strong, dense network of this scaffolding. But this internal fire, this inflammation, is like a wrecking crew, day after day, year after year, slowly dismantling that beautiful structure. The result, the scaffolding weakens and the skin on top of it starts to sag and fold. That is a wrinkle. So how do we put out the fire? This is where flaxseed oil comes in. Flaxseed oil is the single richest plant source of an omega-3 fatty acid called ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. Your body is incredibly smart. It takes this ALA and converts it into the even more powerful omega-3s, EPA and DHA, 5 seed oils that rebuild and rehydrate the skin, which are the most potent natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. Taking flaxseed oil is like sending in a specialized firefighting crew to find every last one of those smoldering embers under your skin and extinguish them. When the inflammation calms down, those destructive enzymes, the ones eating your collagen, are told to stand down. They go quiet. This does two things. First, it stops the damage. It protects the precious collagen you still have. Second, it creates a calm, healed environment where your body can finally get to work on repairing and rebuilding. The visible effect on your skin is profound. That redness or sensitivity you might have, it starts to calm down. But deeper than that, you're stopping the aging process at one of its primary sources. The skin becomes less reactive, stronger, and retains its structure better. So how do you use it? This is critical. You must never cook with flaxseed oil. Heat destroys its delicate omega-3s completely. You need to buy it cold-pressed organic if you can in a dark, opaque bottle, and you must store it in the refrigerator. The easiest way to take it is to add 1 tablespoon to a smoothie or drizzle it over a salad or stir it into yogurt or oatmeal after it's cooked and cooled a bit. It has a mild, slightly nutty taste. This one simple habit, 1 tablespoon a day, is one of the best things you can do to fight that internal fire and protect your skin's youthful structure. It's not an overnight miracle, but it's rebuilding your skin's defenses from the inside out. Now, putting out the fire is step 1, but what about all the dryness? What about that thin, papery feeling our skin gets? This brings us to oil number 2. Number 2. This one is less common, but is a true powerhouse. I'm talking about borage seed oil. This, my friends, is the ultimate internal hydrator. One of the biggest changes we notice as we get older, especially after 60, is how dry our skin becomes. It doesn't matter how much heavy cream we slather on. It just seems to drink it up and be thirsty again an hour later. This dryness makes every single line and crease look 10 times more pronounced. But why? It's because our skin is losing its ability to hold on to moisture. The protective barrier on the surface of how to use them for maximum absorption, our skin, the part that's supposed to lock water in and keep irritants out, starts to break down. Let's use an analogy. Think of your skin barrier as a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks, and the mortar holding them all together is made of natural fats or lipids called ceramides. When we're young, that mortar is thick, strong, and waterproof. It keeps the skin plump and hydrated from within. As we age, our body's production of a very special fatty acid called GLA or gamma-linolenic acid plummets. And GLA is the key ingredient your body needs to manufacture that strong ceramide-rich mortar. Without enough GLA, the mortar in your skin wall starts to dry up and crumble. Gaps form between the bricks, and what happens? 2 bad things. First, all the precious moisture inside your skin escapes right out into the air. This is called transepidermal water loss. Second, irritants from the outside world, pollution, chemicals in your soap, allergens can now get in through those cracks, causing more inflammation. It's a vicious cycle. This is where borage seed oil becomes your skin's superhero. Borage oil is the single richest known source of this miracle worker, GLA. It contains more than twice, sometimes even 3 times as much GLA as the more famous evening primrose oil. When you ingest borage oil, you are essentially giving your body a giant high-quality shipment of the exact raw material it needs to rebuild that crumbling mortar. Your body takes that GLA and gets to work patching up the holes in your skin's barrier. It starts manufacturing new healthy ceramides. That brick wall becomes strong and waterproof again. The effect, the moisture that's already in your skin stays in your skin. It can't escape. Your skin starts to hold on to hydration common mistakes that block collagen renewal, becoming plumper, softer, and more supple from within. That tight, dry, itchy feeling starts to fade. And when your skin is properly hydrated, those fine, papery lines look visibly softer and less deep. You're plumping the skin from the inside, just like a grape, rather than just lathering lotion on the surface of a raisin. Borage oil is also a powerful anti-inflammatory, so it helps with the firefighting we talked about too. It's especially wonderful for people who also suffer from skin issues like eczema, psoriasis, or rosacea. How do you take it? Borage oil is not typically used for cooking. Because it's so potent, it's most often taken as a supplement in a soft gel capsule. You can find it at any good health food store. Look for a cold-pressed, high-quality brand. A typical dose is around 500 to 1000 bilanclons once or twice a day. As always, especially if you're on any medications, it's a wonderful idea to have a quick chat with your doctor before starting any new supplement, but the science is clear. If your skin feels like a desert, borage oil is the oasis you've been looking for. I hope you're finding this useful so far. It's amazing what these simple oils can do, isn't it? We've talked about putting out the fire of inflammation and rebuilding the moisture barrier. By the way, if you are having any aha moments right now, or if this information is clicking for you, would you do me a small favor? Just tap that like or thumbs up button below this video. It's a small thing for you, but it truly helps our channel get this important information out to other seniors who might be feeling that same frustration you are. Thank you for that. Okay, so we've calmed the inflammation and we've locked in the moisture. What about the scaffolding itself? What about the final words? Radiance begins within collagen. This leads us to our incredible oil number 3. Number 3, this is one of my personal favorites. It's pomegranate seed oil. I call this one the collagen protector and rebuilder. This oil is truly unique. It's not just about defense, it's also about offense. It works on multiple levels to address the structure of your skin. The start of pomegranate seed oil is a very rare omega-5 fatty acid called punic acid. You won't find this in many other places. Punic acid is one of the most powerful antioxidants yet discovered.